any Twitter profile, if you create any ads on Twitter, the purpose of total is the 8 type of ads. One is called increase your follow purpose, app install, app re-engagement, video promotion will be 2 sectors, in-stream role and video views, and we can promoting for awareness, website clicks purpose. So before knowing anything on your promoting your Twitter ads, suppose you are using for tweets, so I am posting for so many on the here. Anything promote on your increase your likes or awareness purpose. So I'm searching for one video here. I'm selecting this video. This video right now is a 3 views. I can promote this video. You have the zero knowledge from the how to create a Twitter ads. Simple, go for insight. In this showing for reach a bigger audience, click for get started. Just adding for your payment information first. After click for next. After click for next. This will be adding for first is a payment gateway. Without payment, how to creating my ads. So one is called payment method. Second will be without payment method, how to create my ad. So that is called first click for back, close, go to your Twitter profile option. In this select for Twitter ads, select for the Twitter ads. In the Twitter ads, is adding for your bank information. Just click for back. Go to your account information. Click for edit access to your account. Edit access to your account. Click here. Is going to your view ads manager. Go for view ads manager. Any Twitter will open for same process. In this ads manager, create for campaign. Create for campaign. In this app install, increase your followers, tweet engagement, promote your video views, website clicks or conversion, app re-engagement, in-stream video views and awareness. So my question is called, I can promote my video views using Twitter ads. Option call is promote video views. First, select your budget. Twitter budget total will be dollars, not for the rupees. Daily, $10. 10 into 70 rupees, I'm adding for 700 rupees per daily. So total budget, $100. The ads will be running for total 10 days. 10 days are 100, I'm adding for $100. So what the specific time will be start? What the specific start will be? End your ad without time. I'm fixed with my start time. I can't fix with my end time. Why? Because I'm already adding for $100. Suppose in total $100 for total budget, you can spend it for only for 2 days. Add your end date. Add your end date. In this, Twitter support only for credit or debit card. Credit or debit card. They not supported by any Paytm or Google Pay, Phone Pay or net bank. Anything will be not supported. They support only for credit or debit card. In this, click for next. So in this one, add your group. You can start your specific time. Your ad will be showing for any specific hours. Only morning 9 to 9, evening 9. You can select your specific start and end time. Your ad group budget, same, $10. Here, any bid selection, nothing but per click how much you charge. Always selecting for automatic bid for video view. Suppose select for manual bid, the charging budget will be 10 paisa to 50 paisa dollars, not for the rupees. 10 paisa dollar to 50 paisa dollars. That is called, you can go select by automatic bid for video view or 3 second 100% views. Both will be eligible for video view or for 3 second 100% views. The people watching for 3 second 100%, the amount will be deducted, or else for video views. select it, click for next. After that, audience selection, all, specific audience. We go for any specific audience, will be select here. Any mobile users, any desktop user, specific. I'm selecting for all audience. Next one, demographic, means gender selection, male or female. Age selection, all age group or specific age. See this here. I'm selecting 18 years to 49 years. And this is very important. Add your location and language. Select your language. It will be only for English. Add. Delete it. Suppose you can select any specific mobile user. Coming to this one for this domain. Redmi 3, HTC, Samsung. These are. Suppose Apple is not supporting by Apple device. Only the supporting for specific versions. iPhone 7s Plus. So we can target only for iPhone 7s users. We target by here. So that is called I'm targeting for all device and OS versions. Android device, other mobile, iOS device. Suppose all Android devices, all iOS, other BlackBerry, some Windows, etc., other OS option. So this is a OS version. Next one, your platforms. Desktop and laptop computer, Android device, other mobile, iOS device. You can target by the all platforms. Next, your language, device model. Carrier is a network. Means your Airtel, Idea, specific countries and specific networks. And your location. Location I'm adding for India. So after that, select your audience. Audience most select by your keywords or interest. Select your interest that will be using for health. Add. After selecting user, you target your audience. When audience feature will be selected, your audience number will be coming to here. This will be 2.68 millions to 3.27 million. Why? Because I'm promoting for my health tip. So I'm selecting my category will be interest will be health. So this will be target audience. After that, if you need to recommendation, add your recommendation. No need to add your recommendations. And retarget your people. Saw engagement with your past tweet. Nothing but remarketing. I'm not doing any remarketing on my Twitter account. You can target by your tweet followers. Otherwise, they can see my tweet. No need to worry about the follow the tweet option. Now click for next. Is finally select your video by here. Any video will select based on your tweet only. Without tweet, we can't promote any ads. Then click for next. Here, one question is there. My ad will be where we can see my ads. Is total will be 3 platforms, 3 areas. You can see this one. User timeline, profile and tweet detail page, search results. I'll show the user timeline. Go to your home page. How to recognize your Twitter ads. Just scroll down. When ad below, the showing for promoted. This is called Twitter ads. Showing for promoted. So see, they show any promoted here? Nothing. Just scroll down. Where you can show the video below is the promoted. That is called promoted. Is it clear? So see this one. When we can scroll here, so we can check which is the showing for this. Or showing for promoted. Our I will be showing will be like this. Now click and click for next.
So now that kilowatt is weights are paid.
So here is a campaign name and your campaign start date. daily budget and is the total budget. The campaign running for 10 days for adding your daily and total budget. After click for launch your campaign. The audience will be selected by your behavior. Finally, they go into your payment method. So right now I'm not adding for payment. Click for back. Is my question. My ad is active or not? How to check? Simple. Go for same process. Edit. Access to account. Click for view ads manager. In the below, they show your ad will be active or inactive. See this one. Showing for running my ad. Any ad will be created on Twitter. We can't delete. Only will be pause and running. Only two options are available. We can't delete your previous campaign. Please note down. Any Twitter, we can't delete your previous campaign.